Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create animation for different objects at your web page. Today we will do the card that will provide different information with picture. So it will work by the plan. It will work like that. We open the page, HTML page, and watch the picture with instruction, read instruction and cook at home. So we click here and become a pizza fresca name and recipe details, how to cook this dish. It's just for it's just a sample. You can change all this information yourself and create this animation with the zoom effect. So this will work with CSS styling and features, special features for zoom, and with JavaScript we will realize this action on click. So let's get started. We give at the beginning of the HTML page, we give necessary information, features for whole text, because we will have the same style for all blocks with text. This paragraph and here, part here and here, the same font family type for all letters, but difference it's uppercase or lowercase and color only, and size, and only that. Text line always center, font family open sans serif, margin all the same after flow. So due to implement this zoom effect, if you navigate with your mouse, you will have this animation effect. It will be realized by this features. So we include inside of the class, we create class div, tag div with the class with necessary features, and after for image inside of this block div we include this options, WebKit transition all 0.5 seconds. S means seconds. You can increase. It will be quicker. So after on the navigate, hover will allow you, it's a navigation effect. If you want to change color or something, if you navigate by your mouse somewhere on the object at the page, it will be it will have exactly those features that you include in this case. This is for me it's a transformation scale. Yeah, we zoom it. So next, the same situation with this. We try to open this additional panel with this additional panel very smoothly, not so fast and not slowly. It means that we must include also transition with extension, WebKit transition or transition. So, but it repeats in different classes, and you will apply it. So we find here also important in JavaScript because it has connection between CSS styling, what we have additionally, and JavaScript. JavaScript will implement this action as opening on click. And further information what we have from this class, it's slowly opening this panel. It's a activity. For that, we include these features with special data. We give this data ourselves. So from the beginning, we create different linear gradients, position absolute. We give the different size, width, and height. Only new what I said. It's a WebKit transition, and all type of this feature we include for special activities for our implementation. Other features already known. I explained it a lot during the video recording before, and today I just give you additional information how to. By the way, it is the same if you give here this sign more or without. It will work the same, but if you stay with this, nothing changed. It works equally. So you include all necessary by your wish, what you choose for styling your code. This means last first child. It means that this is the first, like first object. If you have the same divs, the same text, the same blocks in sub blocks in the main block, you will reference to them one by one, and first child call first child or second child or third child, and gives them necessary styling. Also, I want to inform how to create these vertical lines that we have here with this red one and two, second one. So we create class, give the margin and so on. Also, there is a possibility to give them for all sizes. Sizes, I mean amount of pixels for each sides. Margin always works with direction. It's a top, left, right, bottom. If you give information like this, it means all together. You will give for top, left, right, bottom. If you give like this, it means only you change only on the from the top 5 pixel distance from the top. So then we gives the necessary color, padding left, padding size, and border left. You see here, it is very important. There is a always we write this border. We give to all sides in the block. We create like a box with the sides, top, right, left, and corner with all edges. And if you put here only one side, it will be displayed the certain features only for one certain side, for one certain edge in this block, in this box. You see? So next, we create include also necessary libraries that because we use this symbol from font awesome. Next, we create div, common div, then a block, one block, second, third. This block consists of some information on the top. Then next, bigger, a little bit bigger block. It's here, this one, receipt details. We describe, we create common div, then again one more div inside next one, because we give the certain amount, certain styling. We try to separate to build different parts. Next div. I can remove it. So here consists of the title, here can be the name of pizza. It's a fresca second level tomato. And this information will be redisplayed here. So next one, big, it's a description for the recipe, and after that it's almost done. We included all necessary parts. Then we create here the opportunity to click on the button for the certain activities. We click, we open, open, close, open, close. I create in script. For that, it's necessary to apply JavaScript code. I created a global variable, for example, center. We call them so. during onload, we refer to the class. We get the block div by class. We get information by the class using query selector, and then we will use it. So if variable if remainder of the deviation is equal to null, we try to apply a query selector and get class and add additional class cont model active. This class will allow us to apply necessary features, like here. We make it rotate. It's for this symbol. You see here, we rotate. We open, close, we rotate it. So we give here also shadow, opacity, bottom null. It's just additional features. So it's for all block. It means that it is here. We refer to this block. It means we open this block because our picture is or other outside of this block. So we click, we applied, and the plus plus, and it's counting. It's counting action. C plus, it's constanta, any variable plus plus means that we always just by click from null get 1, and then if not, then we just close it. It means if the remainder of the deviation equal deviation equal null, it means we start and we open it. Otherwise, we close it. And we don't rotate this thing. So we open also by this one thing, because on loading our page, you see, first we see full version with open panel with information, but now it's closing automatically. That's why we apply additional function here. This function will give rotation. And in general, it works with class opening and closing. So, no, for now it's done. Thank you for attention.